Alright, so I have here my cell phone and the screen on my cell phone. It doesn't show better dito sa camera. So, you can check dito sa gilid. Andyan yung image nitong cellphone ko. So, if I scroll that one, so makikita mo sa gilid. Now, I want to show you how you can add barcodes gamit yung cellphone, gamit yung camera ng cellphone mo. So that you can add barcodes doon sa mga items na nandoon sa website. Alright? And then, later then, I'll going also to show you how you can use this barcode scanner, okay, para makapag-scan naman ng barcode gamit ito. So, very much exciting ito. So, I hope na panoorin mo ng mabuti hanggang sa dulo. So, as you can see, you can click the icon here, itong parang tao na icon. So, you can go to your admin account. So, I am here in my admin account. And then, you can scroll the dashboard here and go to products. So, you can have access to your products. The same lang doon sa nakita mo doon sa ating desktop. So, ngayon, I have here the Milo. Alright, so I have here a Milo, and I wanted to scan the barcode of this and put it in here in the Milo. So I can click the edit here, the pencil icon of the Milo, para mag-open siya ng edit na page sa Milo. So this is the edit part of the Milo, and then meron ng barcode scanner dito or barcode dito, pero hindi to yung tamang barcode ng Milo. Alright, so let's delete that one, and then you can now click the scan here. You can generate kung gusto mong, ayaw mong i-follow yung barcode ng mismong item, or you can click scan, and then mag-open yan ng parang ganito. So kung naka-scan yan using your barcode scanner, then you can change scanner and then use webcam. Alright, so i-allow mo lang para mag-open siya ng picture webcam mo. So itatapat ko lang yung Milo dito sa barcode na to. Okay, tingnan natin kung mag-i-scan ba siya. So hindi siya masyadong nakikita. Ayun, so na-scan siya. So ang barcode dito is 3480, and 3480 yung barcode ng Milo. So you can save that one. You already have Milo there. Alright, and then sige, add pa tayo. Shall we say itong absolute na to? Tingnan natin yung, hanapin natin, i-search natin yung absolute. No, absolute. Okay, search natin. Ayan, andito na yon. Okay, so andito na yung absolute, and then we can now edit that one. Click natin tong pencil icon na to para mag-open siya doon sa kanyang edit page. So there you have it, the absolute one. And then sa bottom part, you can now put the barcode here. So pwede mong i-scan yung barcode. So allow lang natin yung camera na mag-open siya, and then you can check this, always use your webcam to scan barcode. If you want na every time na mag-open ka ng barcode scanner, yung webcam or camera ng webcam mo ang lalabas. Kung barcode naman, scanner naman, yung talagang kanina itong ganito, okay, you can also use that, check the always use for that particular. Now let's scan the barcode, kung may scan ba niya. Tingnan natin. Yan. So, hindi siya mai-scan, no? So, kung hindi kaya i-scanin, kasi sobrang liit, then, you can put the barcode here. Okay? So, that is 4800, 4800, 014, okay? 144, 082. Yan. So, there you have it. Pwedeng ganun na lang yung gagawin mo kapag hindi. Katulad din ng barcode scanner sa mga cashier dun sa supermarket, ganun naman ang ginagawa. Then you can now update that one. And then there you have it. You have now successfully uploaded the barcode for these two products here, Absolute Milo. And then meron din tayong Nova. So we have here Nova. Okay? So i-upload natin 'yan by editing this page, and then sa bottom part, no, makikita mo yung barcode. So may barcode scan, may barcode na siya. So pero hindi ata ito yung tamang barcode. So parang generate ko lang to. Then you can scan the barcode. So allow the camera to scan. Yan, tingnan natin kung may scan ba niya. And then there you have it. Na-scan ka agad kasi so, malaki naman yung barcode ng Nova na to. So you can update the product. Okay, so there you have it. On the next section, we will going to try, or sorry, On the next section, I'm going also to show you how you can scan the barcode if itong barcode scanner naman yung gagamitin natin. Itong ito. Okay? So, proceed ka na ngayon doon sa next video.